Did you know a 401k could change your financial life? It's one of the easiest ways to save for retirement, and I'm going to break it down fast. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and you'll learn what a 401k is, how it works, and how to make it work for you. Let's dive in. Hey, welcome to Cash Compass, where we make money simple. Today's topic, the 401k. If you've heard the term but aren't sure what it means or why it's a big deal, this video is for you. I've dug into trusted sources like irs.gov, Investopedia, and NerdWallet to give you the clearest explanation ever. Whether you're new to the workforce or just curious, you'll leave knowing how a 401k can help you build a secure future. Let's get started. So, what's a 401k? It's a retirement savings plan offered by many U.S. employers. You put money from your paycheck into the plan before taxes are taken out, and that money grows over time to fund your retirement. Think of it like a piggy bank for your future self, but with some awesome perks. Here's the deal. You choose how much to contribute, and the money is invested in things like stocks or bonds. Over decades, it grows thanks to something called compound interest. Plus, many employers match your contributions. Free money. The catch? You can't touch the money until you're 59 and a half without a penalty, so it's for long-term savings. Let's say you earn $50,000 a year and contribute 5% to your 401k. That's $2,500 a year. If your employer matches 100% of that, they add another $2,500. That's $5,000 saved in 1 year without extra effort. A 401k is like a team effort between you, your employer, and the IRS. Here's how it works. You contribute. You decide a percentage of your paycheck to put in, say 5% or 10%. This comes out pre-tax, so you pay less in taxes now. Employer match. Many companies match part or all of your contribution. For example, they might match dollar for dollar up to 4% of your salary. Investments grow. Your money is invested in funds you choose, like stocks or bonds. Over time, it grows through compound interest. Tax benefits. You don't pay taxes on the money until you withdraw it in retirement, letting it grow faster. Imagine you're 25 and contribute $3,000 a year to your 401k. With a 4% employer match, that's $4,200 total. If it grows at 7% annually, about the stock market average, by age 65, you could have over $600,000. There are two main types. Traditional 401k, you contribute pre-tax money and pay taxes in retirement. Roth 401k, you contribute after-tax money but withdrawals are tax-free. If you earn $60,000 and put $6,000 into a traditional 401k, your taxable income drops to $54,000. That could save you $1,200 in taxes this year. Want to maximize your 401k? 4 simple tips. Get the employer match. It's free money. Start early for compound interest magic. Person A starts at 25, contributing $200 monthly. By 65, they have over $400,000. Person B starts at 35 with the same amount, only $200,000. Time is your biggest asset. Choose low-cost funds and review annually. Small fees make big differences over decades. That's your 401k crash course. You now know what it is, how it works, and how to maximize it for your future. If this helped you understand retirement savings, hit that like button and subscribe for more money tips every week. Want to learn more? Check out irs.gov or NerdWallet for free resources. Drop a comment. What's your 401k goal? Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video, where we make money simple.